Hello guys, welcome back for another video. So reset my car. In today's video I'm going to show you I can change the menu language of an Audi A3 2012. And in this short video I'm going to show you I can do it for yourself. Let's start right away. First of all, find the menu button under this thumbstick over here. Press it a few times to find the menu. Then press this and this button to scroll up and down. To go to set, press enter, and you'll see the language area here. Scroll down, press it, and now you can change it for the desired one. Let's change it to Deutsch, for example, German, and back to English, like this. This is how you can change the menu language of an Audi A3. Hope this helped. Hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.